Hey everybody, my name is Isaac and welcome to Bell Media. Today I'm going to be showing you the best live streaming setup for under $100. This is for small churches specifically. This is actually the exact setup our church has been using for several years. So I wanted to show it off and tell you how it's been and recommend some things that we've tried and tested out and that have really been working for us. So you might be wondering, why do you even need a live stream, or where do I even live stream to, and all these questions that, before you're playing the stages of getting ready for your live stream. And to answer that question, we've been using directly Facebook. So we put all of our stuff on Facebook, and if we need to, we take those videos and put them somewhere else. But Facebook is really easy for us because we can go ahead and just hop on the app on our phone and then go ahead and start live streaming. And that kind of brings us into, why are you even wanting to live stream? And the answer is, there's a couple of reasons actually. And the number one reason is that people like to see what your church is like without having to go to your church. So being able for people to, even if it's a basic setup, it helps people to know what they're walking into before they get to your church. So it's like a little bit of research before kind of going to a new church. And you're able to provide that with the live streams. And then also it helps people stay connected if they get sick, and you're able to reach a larger audience, things like that. To get started, these are some of the things that we have been using in our church, and it requires what I'm using right now. It requires a smartphone. So if you are able to use a smartphone for your live stream setup, that's going to be huge. And this whole video is surrounding how to make your live stream the best it can be with your iPhone or with your Android device or whatever you're using. And this is going to work for all of those. So the first thing you need is a great video. We've already accomplished that. So what is the next thing that you need? Well, the next thing is going to be a microphone. So I have a microphone today that I've been using, and all these products that I'm showing you are ones that we personally use. We've been using them for years, and I put links to things in the description below if you want to buy them yourselves. It's very quick and easy to get to those. Just go down to the bottom. So what we've been using is this right here. This is a Rode microphone, R-O-D-E. They actually don't really make this microphone anymore, but there's another company that makes something very, very similar, and we use another one of their products that I'll show you in a little bit, but it's also a great microphone, has all the same features. It's a shotgun microphone. That's what these are called, the ones that are really pointing in one direction. And just doing like a spread in one direction, just like a shotgun. And yeah, this is a great little microphone. We've been using this. This comes with a shock mount. So one of these right here. And the product I linked is exactly the same as this. Like literally exactly the same, but it's like $50 cheaper because they don't make this one anymore. But still a great microphone. Anyway, so it's going to look something like this. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and plug in your plug to your cords. So I'm going to go and plug this one into here. And then this is going to go into your camera. But since we're using your iPhone or your Android device, we're going to need an adapter. So want to make sure that you get one of these. And this is all in the links below. So this is this brand right here is called Movo. I don't know if you can see that, but it's M-O-V-O. And they actually make this microphone now. So, and you can buy a package to where you can get the adapter and you can get the microphone in one purchase. It's $50. It's a really great price. We probably spent $20 on this, and then we spent like $80 on this when they were first brand new. So great options, way cheaper than they were before. So I definitely recommend them. And then if you're ever considering confused, and if it doesn't work or for some reason, there's a little trick. So on these microphones, you can barely see it, but there's two stripes right here. So this is the black side, and the black side has two little stripes. On the gray side, it actually has three stripes, and you have to be careful about this. So you want to make sure you use the one with the three stripes is going directly into your adapter. So the gray, three stripes, into your adapter, and then the one with the two stripes is going into your microphone. So, and then this is going to plug in directly to your smartphone. So I have my smartphone right here, and what it's going to look like is just plugging in the bottom, and you're just going to be sitting up here like this, and this is going to be your setup. So this right here is pretty much all you need, but as you can see, it's free flowing. So who's going to be holding it the whole time? Not me, because I'm not going to hold this for an hour during a service. So we need a couple of more accessories. And the ones that I have are going to be a little bit different just because there's newer things out that are cheaper and easier to use. But what we use is we use one of these. This is a phone holder. And the one I recommend, I put a link below, it has a phone holder built into the tripod. So that brings us to the other thing that we need, which is a tripod. So this one right here is really compact. It's about 1.5 feet long. And you're able to just throw this into a backpack if you're tearing down every Sunday like we do. And it's very, very simple to use. This one is going to be meant for a camera. This was before like everybody was building with them for smartphones. So this one has a little screw piece at the top. And this is where we're going to screw in our phone holder. And the one I recommend already has a phone holder built into it. And that's actually the one that I have in the link below. It's $20. So you're getting the microphone, phone holder, and the tripod for $70. And the adapter. So you have a full setup for $70, which is really incredible. How this works is this bottom piece is going to come out. There's a little twist piece right here. And this is going to fold out the feet. So that folds out. And then you lock it in. And then these right here just go straight up. They have different tabs. And these just go up like this. And you can set up your tripod. Just that easy. So, it's getting around my chair. So, we have our tripod set up. We have our phone holder set up. And now we need to get our phone in the phone holder. So, what I'm going to do is going to disconnect the adapter. The adapters can be finicky a little bit just because you take them in and out a lot. So be careful when you're putting your phone on here. Just go ahead and take out your adapter. You don't want anything to break while you're trying to set this up. So have your phone holder in. You want to adjust it. Make sure it's nice and even. You don't want the whole live stream to be crooked. And then we're going to go ahead and put our microphone on here, and the way you do this is you're going to loosen this right here, and then that's going to give you this little square piece is going to give you the ability to slide this in at the top right here. So on the top there's a sliding piece right here, and this is just going to slide in just like that, and then you're going to lock it down with the twist. And then once that is set up, you get it to your direction that you need it, and then go ahead and plug it in, and you're ready to rock and roll. That's pretty much everything. And you're also going to get one of these with your purchase. These are called a dead cat, which is kind of a sad name for it. But essentially what it does is you're going to put this on top of your microphone, and this is going to look like a big puffy ball on top of your microphone, like a chinchilla just sitting on top of your microphone. And this is going to block out any wind noise. So if you have your fans rolling in your sanctuary, or if the AC is really blowing really cold, then you're going to want to have one of those. And that's going to prevent any kind of like wind noise hitting your microphone, which is very important if you are having that problem, because it will pretty much ruin your audio quality on your live stream. Like I said, the price for this microphone, for the wire, for the adapter, for this, for your phone is $50, which is a great price. Put it in the link below. And then the tripod with the phone mount right here is another $20. These are all on Amazon, so you have really great return policies. I like Amazon. I don't really buy anything online except from Amazon nowadays. So yeah, for $70 you get a great setup. It's very easy to take down, very easy to set up. Anybody can do it. You can train anybody on it. It's a very user-friendly thing to do. This whole channel is around helping small churches grow their social media presence, being able to get their live stream together, be able to do all the digital things that are hard for a small church. And this is designed for helping people. I help my small church, and I wanted to help some other small churches because I realized how difficult it is to be able to get all those things together, especially when you're dealing with a couple of volunteers or just a pastor who's trying to run everything. So just wanted to help you guys, and if you want me to be able to help other people, make sure to like this video so they can see this video as well. Have a great rest of your day, and thanks so much for watching.